We're gonna start this project with large brush and light blue paint. We'll paint an outline of the hill in the middle of the artwork. Then we'll cover everything above this line in light blue paint. You can wipe your brush using paper towel and then dip your brush in light green. After creating another outline, you can cover everything below this line in light green paint. We'll switch to a medium-size brush and white paint to create two birch trees. After painting first line, you can add additional lines to make a tree thicker. First tree is slightly tilted to the right, second tree will be slightly tilted to the left. You can add more layers of white paint if it seems too transparent. Next, you can use medium or small brush to paint branches. After wiping your medium-sized brush, you can dip it in orange paint to create an outline of a circle next to both trees. Now you can paint in this circle. Next, we'll paint a smaller pumpkin overlapping birch trees. First, we'll create an outline, then we'll paint it in. You can add second layer of orange if the paint is too transparent. Using medium-sized brush and red paint, we'll outline large pumpkin. Next, we'll add lines connecting top and bottom of the pumpkin. Now we'll repeat the same steps for smaller pumpkin. After wiping your brush using paper towel, you can dip it in black paint and create small black brush strokes on top of birch trees. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in brown paint and add small stems on top of each pumpkin. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow paint and create small brush strokes next to branches. We'll add couple falling leaves below the branches. We'll use yellow paint to add highlights to each pumpkin. We'll add couple yellow brush strokes between red lines. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in orange paint to add orange leaves. You can also add couple orange brush strokes on the bottom part of the pumpkin between red lines. You can switch to a small brush and white paint to add a thin brush stroke on top of yellow part of the pumpkin. After wiping your small brush with paper towel, you can dip it in dark green paint to add vines next to the brown stems of the pumpkins. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and we'll keep using dark green paint to add grass on the lower part of the artwork. It's okay to overlap pumpkins when adding green brush strokes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.